Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the fan and wait 5 minutes to avoid stored charge. Once safe, remove the grill screws. Keep like screws together so reassembly is simple. Next, take off the blades by unscrewing the center nut or pressing the release clip. Mark the blade orientation with a piece of tape so balance remains. You do this early because clear labeling prevents mistakes later, and it reveals the motor housing and bearing area that need inspection. Once disassembled, inspect the motor housing, bearings, and wiring for rust, frayed insulation, or loose connectors. Use compressed air to clear dust, then apply electrical contact cleaner to the switch and motor terminals to improve conductivity. If bearings or brushes show wear, replace them. Match part numbers exactly to maintain performance. After installing new parts, lubricate the bearing lightly with 3-in-1 oil. Too much oil attracts dust, so apply only a drop or two to keep motion smooth. Reassemble in reverse. Reinstall blades in the marked orientation and tighten the center nut until secure, not so tight it warps the blade. Reattach the grill and screws, then plug the fan in and test at low speed to confirm smooth operation. If you still hear noise or feel vibration, check blade balance and motor mount alignment. Loosen mounts, realign, or replace damaged mounts. If that fails, one key troubleshooting tip: swap the blades with a known good set to isolate motor versus.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.